Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with day 18 of our advent calendar, our diamond painting advent calendar. Day 18, I can't believe it. So after this one, there's only 2 rows left and we're done. That's unbelievable to me. All right, so what do you think is going to be in here? So far, I have loved every single keychain. Day 18, what do you have? Let's put it down so I can get some pressure and poke it in and pull it out. And can we take a moment to notice how long these nails have lasted? These inexpensive Amazon wraps lasting great through showers and baths and hair shampoos and dishes. And they're just starting to fade a little bit today. Awesome. Anyway, let's see what we have. Something in there. Let's tilt it and grab it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love this one so much. Look how cute. We have a little penguin holding a lollipop. And the Santa hat. And oh my gosh. He's wearing sunglasses. He's got a scarf. I love penguins. I absolutely love penguins. This is adorable. Super cute. And look, it's using those blue ones again. I hope I don't run out. They absolutely did not give me enough of these ones. So, yeah, I had to add some from my stash, but I might run out. I don't know if I'm going to have enough to do this. I do have more that I could add from my stash. That's all I have left, and that is from what was in my stash. So, yeah, they absolutely did not give enough of these star colors. And, yeah, that's a shame because I'm lucky that I have a stash, but a lot of people don't. All right, so I am going to work on this while I watch movies and you listen to music, and then we'll come back and talk about it. So with the magic of editing... Okay, guys, so we are back with the penguin. And just like I thought, I did run out of some of this blue. And, yeah. So we've got some more of the blue. I did have enough to refill it. But if I run out of what I have now, that's all I have left. That's all I had left of this color in my stash. So I had to refill that color twice from my stash. So that's not good. They were short on a lot of this color. So yeah. And one of my nails is starting to peel right here. And that's because I'm doing all this picking and pulling. Speaking of picking and pulling, let's see what this looks like. I'll just use a new nail. Oh, I can't. I have to use this nail. That's okay. I have a lot more of these Christmas stickers. I can change them. I won't change them while I'm working on these tonight because I'll just ruin them again. Ta-da! Look how cute. Super cute. I really like this. Now, the glasses look better on this side than they do on this side because on this side you can see the white from them. But the diamond painting side is still cute. And I kind of like that they give us the side to show what he really should look like. So, he's nice and sparkly. He's super, super cute. We kind of lose a lot of the detailing on the lollipop because you can't see the white lines anymore. But that's what happens when you're doing something small. But it won't matter because this will be on the tree and what you'll see the most is the sparkle. And I think he's absolutely adorable. What do you guys think? Anyway, so that is it for this one. That was, what day were we on? I think that was day 18. So, wow. That's crazy. All right, so thank you for watching. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that helped me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.